This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
What is the difference between the thin client and the thick client?
I think I may mess up this. So maybe we call the thin client is browser and thick client is the desktop application. I hope I am right, or maybe vice versa. So basically, the thick client is you actually write an application, build a software. You have to write the software and you have to build it, which is the thick client, your desktop application. On the other end, the thin client, your browser, you are not actually writing additional code or anything else. You write simply the front-end application and you deploy on the web server, then actually it is just working fine. Everybody has a browser. They can just simply access the URL and they can log into your application.